Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. My name is Glorious Teron. So just just now only I received my online material. So I want to unboxing, just like cutting a ribbon. Okay. Okay. Honor Part X8. Okay. This is a Honor tablet. Honor tablet. Just see, so beautiful. Okay, to show what inside this.
Yeah.
Okay. Cable of Honor tablet.
Type C.
Part X8. Type C. Yes, only.
Just show us the screen man.
Okay. Honors. Okay. I will try to open. Okay. I already open here. That's all. Everything says you can connect with Wi-Fi and also you can shoot with video also this, and you can edit whatever do you want to edit with this tablet, you can do it. Okay, do support my channel. I will show you whatever I online. I will unboxing and I will show you. And okay, next time I will edit a video with this tablet. Okay, thank you. Do share and subscribe my channel.